Giveaway campaign automation. So the overview for giveaway automation is that the giveaway campaign you've just learned to set up is set up to be ran in real time, meaning you're sending out emails on a live basis. All right, now this is fine, except eventually you're going to want to send out other emails, okay? Or you're going to set up other autoresponder promotions, and you don't want those to overlap or get in the way of each other. So the idea here is to automate the giveaway as best you can. Now, running a giveaway will build up a huge, huge list of prospects. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can build a list using this method. And you're crazy if you only ever run the giveaway promo to them. There are people out there, people who have bought this course that I have wanted to beat over the head with a phone book because they run the giveaway, they build this huge list, and they never email the list again after the discount promotion is over. Now, did they get good results? Yeah, they're probably pretty happy because they made some money and they got some new customers, but that list is just sitting there atrophying when it could be making them even more money. So this section is all about teaching you how to automate 80% of the giveaway campaign and integrate it into any autoresponder sequence you create. Now, the reason I say 80%, there are a few components of the giveaway that are manual that cannot be automated. So in this case, you automate what you can, and then you have a VA or a low dollar per hour staff person do the rest of it. Okay, this is not any kind of thing that should demand your time. It can totally be outsourced. So here's what can't be automated. Okay, there's a few tasks. So these will always require a human element in order to complete. You can outsource or delegate. Again, you should not be doing this. You are the business owner, the entrepreneur, the marketing arm. You should be focusing on things that drive revenue, not manual data entry type tasks that any third world VA could do, or an $8 or $10 an hour employee who just sits around punching buttons. That's the people who should be doing this. So the manual giveaway tasks. Number 1, randomly choosing the winner. Okay, you gotta have someone do that. All right. Number 2, contacting the winner to get the photo and the address. You got to have someone send that email. Then you have to update the winner page with each week's winner. Okay, so you got to add the new image of the product if you're changing the product, and then also add the winner's picture. And then you need to post weekly winners to social media and or your blog to increase that social proof and that trust and that viral nature of everybody sharing it when they see their friends who have won. Aside from these 4, all other aspects of this giveaway can be 100% automated using your autoresponder, okay? So these 4 are the only pieces that can't be automated. So let's go through the manual tasks just to make sure you know exactly how to do them, and then also how to tell somebody else to do it, okay? And let one of your staff do it. So choosing and contacting the winner. How to choose the winner. See how many people are on your giveaway email list. Go into your autoresponder and look at how many contacts are on that list. Then use a free random number generator. Google's your friend here. Go Google random number generator, and then pick a number between 1 and the number of people on your list. Let it randomly generate a number between 1 and, if there's 20,000 people on your list, between 1 and 20,000. Go back to your list and see whose contact record, which person is that number on your list. That's it. Super simple. Then you go and contact the winner. You want to take the winner's email address from your email list, because you already have it. Send them an email from your Gmail account or from your company email. Tell them, hey, you've won. Give them the details of what they won and what you need from them in return in order to claim their product. So in this case, you ask them for their name, their shipping address, and a picture so that you can use it to show who won. If you can find their social media profile, you can also reach out to the winner there. And if you can find their social media profile, another good thing to do is say, hey, will you share this and show everybody what you won? And a lot of times they will, because they're excited. Now, we try to pick winners 2 weeks in advance so we can stay ahead of the autoresponder, okay? It's still random, and the people who are entering are still going to be, have a chance to win the following stuff, but this is just a way for us to try to stay ahead of the autoresponder. If you don't want to do it that way, that's fine. You can do it every week. If you have a staff person, it's no big deal, all right? Now, if the winner does not respond, send 2 more emails, and then go back and randomly choose another winner. If they don't respond to any of those 3 emails, just repeat the process again and find another winner off your list, contact them, get their name, address, and picture, and move on, okay? This is manual. Like I said, it's data entry type stuff. Anybody can do it. The next thing is updating the winner page. So you want to use the exact same winner page that you already created. And you want to make all other supporting content on that page generic or evergreen. You don't want to have to edit the entire page every time. Ideally, you only have one section to update on that page each week. And the idea here is to update the announced winner section is the only thing that you should have to update. So the way we do this is a tip, is to make the announced winner section an all-inclusive image. And we make it like a Photoshop file with all the layers, right? And then all we have to do is take the winner's picture, add it to the Photoshop file, save it as a JPEG, and then or a PNG or whatever, and then upload it to the page. And we name it the exact same as the other image, so we don't even have to edit the page. We just re-upload the file into our server, and it overwrites the old file, and now the new winner's image shows up on the winner page. Super, super simple. Doing it this way also gives you a perfect social proof image for posting on your blog, your social media, or making a winner's collage on your giveaway page. This is something that's awesome to do. Once you have 3, 4, 5 winners, go back to your giveaway opt-in page, and below the giveaway information and below the opt-in, put a collage of all the different people who've won. That is amazing social proof for your giveaway, okay? And it will increase your opt-in rate significantly. Now, another important thing is you do not want to change the URL or the link to the winners page ever. This way you can preload your autoresponder winner announcement email with the same winners page link and use the same email or a variation of that email every 7 days, and you don't ever have to worry about editing it. Or if somebody goes back later and searches, an email in their Gmail and they click a link, it's still going to take them to the most current version of the page. All right, again, manual task, super simple, anybody can do it. So here's how a visual representation of how we automate the giveaway, okay? So you can see driving traffic, obviously, is a manual task. Okay, the giveaway offer page, the opt-in page, is evergreen. You never have to change it. The emails are automated. The thank you page never changes unless you change the product, okay? But chances are for a specific product, you're going to keep running the same giveaway over and over again to get more of the same kind of buyers and prospects. The winner announcement page has a manual task. The product listing or product checkout page where they go to buy your product with a discount, that's evergreen. That doesn't change. So there's only a very, very limited amount of editing that has to happen to make this giveaway campaign run like clockwork.